Did you know that certain fruits are packed with antioxidants that can actually help reduce the risk of prostate issues? Foods like tomatoes and berries are not just tasty, they're powerful allies for your health. In this video, we'll explore the connection between fruits and prostate health, aiming to inform you about the best options for your well-being. Many men face prostate health issues as they age, and understanding how diet can influence this is crucial for prevention and management. Prostate health problems such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, and prostate cancer are prevalent in older men. And although there's no guaranteed way to prevent these conditions, research suggests that a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can play a significant role in reducing their risk. The prostate gland, being a vital part of the male reproductive system, requires specific nutrients to function properly, and certain fruits are rich in these essential compounds. By making informed dietary choices, men can take proactive steps towards maintaining optimal prostate health. Dietary habits are often overlooked, but they can either contribute to the development of prostate issues or help mitigate them. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to chronic inflammation, which can further exacerbate prostate problems. On the other hand, a diet rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables can provide the necessary antioxidants and nutrients to support overall health and well-being. It's essential to recognize the importance of a balanced diet in prostate health and make conscious choices about the food we put into our bodies. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and genetic predisposition are all contributing factors to prostate health issues. However, by making positive lifestyle changes, men can significantly reduce their risk of developing these conditions. Additionally, certain fruits have been shown to possess specific nutrients that can help combat prostate problems, making their inclusion in the diet a vital aspect of overall health. As men age, their prostate health becomes increasingly important, and understanding the role of diet in this context can be a game changer. By being proactive about their health and making informed choices, men can reduce their risk of prostate issues and maintain optimal well-being. We'll delve into specific fruits known for their beneficial properties, such as tomatoes, berries, and pomegranates, and discuss how their nutrients contribute to prostate health. Tomatoes, for example, are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers, including prostate cancer. Berries, on the other hand, are rich in anthocyanins, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate chronic inflammation, a common precursor to prostate issues. Pomegranates are another fruit that has garnered significant attention for their potential role in prostate health. Rich in ellagic acid, pomegranates have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, which can help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. The combination of these fruits in the diet can provide a powerful synergy, offering multiple layers of protection against prostate health issues. The nutrients found in these fruits can have a profound impact on prostate health, and understanding how they work can help men make informed choices about their diet. By incorporating these fruits into their daily routine, men can take a proactive approach to prostate health, reducing their risk of developing issues and maintaining optimal well-being. Discover the surprising evidence from recent studies that highlight how these fruits can reduce the risk of prostate issues and enhance overall health. Studies have consistently shown that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including prostate cancer. The antioxidants and phytonutrients found in these fruits have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat chronic inflammation, a known precursor to many diseases. Recent research has also highlighted the role of certain fruits in reducing the risk of BPH, a common prostate health issue that affects many men as they age. By understanding the science behind these fruits, men can make informed choices about their diet, reducing their risk of developing prostate issues and enhancing overall health. The evidence suggests that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can have a profound impact on prostate health, reducing the risk of issues and enhancing overall well-being. By incorporating these fruits into their daily routine, men can take a proactive approach to health, reducing their risk of developing chronic diseases. The power of fruits in prostate health cannot be overstated, and the evidence suggests that a diet rich in these whole foods can have a profound impact on overall health. By understanding the science behind these fruits, men can make informed choices about their diet, reducing their risk of prostate issues and enhancing overall well-being. To wrap up, we'll summarize the key fruits discussed and their unique contributions to prostate health, reinforcing the importance of dietary choices. In conclusion, the fruits discussed in this video are powerful allies for prostate health, and their inclusion in the diet can have a profound impact on overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on health and wellness, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.